is to be visible, to be everywhere that you can. What I mean by this is not necessarily that you got to be on all the social media platforms. You don't have to start a TikTok if you don't already have one. You don't have to do that kind of stuff. When I say be visible, I specifically mean that you want to make sure that people can find your show. So there are a lot of platforms. My company, we help podcasters. And one of the things that we do is we make sure that they're visible on every platform available to them, including a few that most people haven't even heard of. Most people in the US anyway. So there's a platform called Gaana. There's a couple of platforms in India that are quickly, rapidly growing traction. And we don't automatically, like when you start your podcast, you don't automatically go there. You're not automatically connected there. You got to take a couple of extra steps sometimes to connect your RSS feed with all of these other places that you need to be visible. So at a minimum, you want to submit it to all the directories through your platform. So if you're on Libsyn or Buzzsprout or whatever, there's so many different ones. You want to make sure that you are connected to Google, Spotify, Apple, Stitcher, and all of these other fairly mainstreamed ones. And you want to do the extra work to make sure that you're on Alexa. And I hope I didn't just make your Alexa go off. But anyway, you want to make sure that you are launched up on all of those places.